In this video I'm gonna show you how to grow Cress Microgreens. I use the curly cress variety. Take the tray with holes and place it in a tray without holes. Fill the tray with your growing medium. Spread the growing medium evenly over the tray. Don't forget the edges and the corners. Spread the seed over the growing medium using the salt shaker. The shaker prevents the seed from getting heaped up all together in one spot, which will cause growing issues. Grab a spraying bottle and water the tray. Make sure the tray is moisture enough without overdoing it. The growing medium must be wet, but not soaked. Place the second tray without holes on top. Now put the tray in the rack and let it be for 3 days. Day 3. Carefully remove the top tray and tap it onto the bottom one to remove any seeds that might be stuck. All the seeds started germination. There are also hair roots coming on the seeds. This is not fungus. Now the tray goes into blackout. This basically means that you put the top tray back on top, but upside down so that it forms a sort of dome. This is done to allow the plants to grow a little taller without having to deal with the environment, mostly being the wind, which might dry them out too quickly. Day 4. As you can see, more plants have grown tall enough to actually look like a miniature plant. Day 5. Let's see how our Cress Microgreens are doing today. The microgreens are standing tall now and they appear to be strong. They are now ready to get underneath the light into the rack. At this point you really want to start bottom watering, whether there are roots visible or not. Pour some water into the bottom tray. This will help keep the growing medium wet, otherwise it will dry out too fast by the ventilation fans. Leave the top tray uncovered and put it back into the rack. Day 6. The Cress Microgreens start to appear like real baby plants now, with their leaves unfolding and the leaves actually turning green instead of yellow. They look strong and healthy, though a little dry. Water the bottom tray twice a day when you see this happening. Also, don't forget to continue misting the top tray. Day 7. The cress is growing fast. They are almost ready for harvest, but we want them a little taller. Keep watering both top and bottom. Day 8. Look at this nice bunch of microgreens. We still want them to grow a little taller. They have not yet reached the true leaf stage. Day 9. Harvest day already! The first true leaves already start to appear. In an airtight container you can store them for about a week. Thanks for watching!